Masini money. I want a Masini money. Guys, I'm saying bye-bye, ne? Fuck all of you. Subscribe to see Baby, baby.
Oh my God, what just happened? Ndofire. Hehe. Angithi wena wathi wena kukhona umama kaBoy. Useshole mama kaBoy. And wena mengikhumbula kahle noGail wathi naye she's not single. Wathi futhi umuntu wakhe akekho kwi-industry blah 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 blah. Kwenzakalani manje? Hey, hayi inkosi yami sokwisizwe. Kodwa phela le ayingithusi ngoba hayi bandla babefletha abantu kwi-episode bengasaflethi. Anyway, uthi lona isn't Sino in a relationship nah. Hayi ke kushuthi he's not anymore asazi. Oh now usuku relationship nobani no Naomi. Kushuthi umama kaBoy akasekho. Sekhona bani? Sekhona uNaomi. Hayi bandla. Abanye abafana bakhomba ngophakathi. Le ngane uzoyichamela ayishiye kanjalo. Awe ma Nkosi yami ungihlekiselani kodwa. What if uyithanda ngempela? Uthi lo Ndofire doesn't miss and he doesn't. Hey, ziyamthanda ingane lo mfana. Uyathandeka shem afuna uqhamanga uyathandeka. I thought Naomi said she's single. Well, she was. Not anymore. Not anymore. She was, but she's not anymore. Usino wenze show ngalokho. Uthi lona I knew Ndofire doesn't fumble. Oh no, honey. Never. Not Mr. Ndofire. Not Pastor Ndofire. Never. I've never been so happy. You happy for them? That's nice. Hey, Mina guys. We'll see. I hope it lasts. Utilo, when was this? This was last night. This happened last night, guys. Ndofire posted this on his Instagram. Uyabona nje ukuthi lento serious uposte lesithombe ku Instagram wakhe izolo ebusuku wathi nje the real Mrs. Ndofire wase wamthega. Ngiyangichazela guys into yabo i-official. Wow, they look so good together. They're very cute. I knew there was a connection. First day laid eyes. True, hey? And ongabonanga. Angazi ukuthi uyayibuke iphi episode because it was very clear. These guys look happy and together. What am I saying? These guys look happy and good together. Damn. Oh, they do. 100% they do. I knew there was a connection. First day laid eyes. Okay, this is the same comment. Not the same, but similar. I don't know. Similar, whatever. Yes. This made my day. Shame. Ndofisto. Hayi uNdofisto wenza show bandla. Akadlali umfana. Mrs. Ndofisto. Ngiyanithanda mina. Namshem, I like them. They look good together. Bayi vibe. Bathini bona. Washa. Bathini bona. Ay sithi halala. My boy is winning and I'm happy. Finally, Mrs. Ndofire ngazi lokho emfihla. Nje I'm happy for him. Ashkaran chief, Ashkaran ilili kati langihlekisa. Hayi Ashkaranile, I'm sure kwayizona nje bekhala. Ngiyadlala. You guys look good together. Please don't ruin a beautiful thing. Sino, my brother, I know you. And usino siyamazi. Hey, uzobona elinye ibhanga no asangana usino. Hey, asaz. Ndofire, behave my bro, behave. Sino, you are out of order, chief. Usenzeni manje Ndofaya? Ngoba phela uya-ashkarayina lapha, yabo. Ya-ashkarayina. I think we finally found the right Miss Ndofaya. Yani simtholile uMiss Ndofaya ongalokho efihlwa. Ozovezwa nje simbone sonke. Sino made the brotherhood proud. I can't comment him that because I'm not a brother. So I don't know. Utilo Sino's face after the kiss. Ooh, oh la la. Yeah, what is it? Mr. Ndofaya. Never been this happy for people I do not know. I love it. Yeah, they look so happy together. They look so good together, I'm not gonna lie. I'm happy for them. I'm happy for them for real. The brother was surprised. Yes, Mbonile. It's like he wasn't expecting the kiss. It was like, where's mama ka boy now? Eish bafethu asazi. Shouthi umama ka boy akasekho, unfortunately. Iphelile indaba yakhe. Mr. and Mrs. Ndofaya. Hayi bona bahle shem. Uthi lona ke, hey, I feel sorry for Naomi. Why you feel sorry for Naomi? When sengathi uSino uzomhater. Hey asazi. Pastor Ndofaya is never gonna beat the allegations. Hayi son. Pastor Ndofaya. Ingozi lo bhuti loya. Ingozi la mfana. Ingozi. Lol, I swear Ndofaya will hurt this hun. You, but they are cute though. Ish bafethu. Asazi ngalapho sesiyobona sekwenzeka. Kodwa nje let's let them enjoy the moment. Yeah. Guys, it's AI. Chill. No. It's not AI. It's 100% real. Siyabona pen. The way I see, she loves him so much, but he does not love her. Uthini wena indaba engaka? Yo. Uthi lona it would end in premium tears. This one. Ayindi bafethu why nikhuluma kabuhlungu kanjena? This is brand new and you guys are saying these things already. Come on. Be positive. Didn't she say she has a man? Yeah. Kaniti. Fear woman. Namsha ngiyakhumbula ethu nendoda. But again maybe ke mhlambe yimina osekhohliwe. Hi guys, that's it from me guys. I'll see you on my next video.
Yeah!